Hi everyone! Here at the first step we need to create selling and description policies. Under selling policy you can choose a listing format, provide a competitive price and set quantity for your item. First you need to specify listing duration. For auction items you can select a specific period, while fixed price items should be listed as good till cancelled. Here in quantity field you can select the number of items you want to sell on eBay. These are the additional settings you can use for your product's quantity configuration. Specify lot size allows selecting custom value to specify the number of identical items you are selling together as lot. Ignore variations option will help you to select how to list Magento variational products on eBay. If you want to list your products as variational ones, please keep this option set to no. In the taxation section, you can specify a VAT rate or use eBay tax table configured in your eBay account. In the price section, you can choose the source for product price. In the price change section, you can add the adjustments to the specified price to be displayed on eBay. You can use absolute value or percentage to increase or decrease the price. In the last section, you can enable Allow Best Offer if you want to accept offers from buyers and negotiate a price. Let's move to the description settings. Firstly, select the item condition from the suggested values or Magento Attribute. Below you can provide settings for images and watermark and select source of data. Here the images settings can be set. Variation attribute images allows adding up to 12 images for each variation to be displayed on eBay. Watermarks option allows uploading watermarks to your images. In the details section you will be able to specify a title and subtitle for your product. However, for using the second option, eBay charges a fee. Cut long titles option automatically cuts the item titles and subtitles to comply with eBay limitation. Let's move to the description section and specify description source. You can create a custom description and use attribute or image inserts. If you have eBay description templates, you can add them here. eBay Catalog Identifiers make it easy for buyers to find your items on eBay. You can specify them here. If your product does not have mentioned codes or any brand data, you can select Does Not Apply or Unbranded values accordingly. The last section is listing upgrades. To stand out your listing from others, you can use eBay standard tools. Please be aware these features come with additional eBay fees. We have successfully configured selling and description policies. Watch our next tutorial to learn how to set synchronization policy.